While Oregon deaths and COVID cases skyrocket, tens of thousands of doses of vaccines are expected to arrive in Oregon in the next few weeks. Keep in mind, though, it's not going to be enough to protect all frontline health workers just yet.
No, our Lisa Balick was at the governor's news conference where they talked about COVID and the vaccine, and Lisa joins us from South Portland. Lisa?
Yeah, what may be ahead is, quote, horrifying, said the governor when she is referring to possible deaths from COVID in the next few weeks. But she also says she has no plans right now to completely shut down the state once again.
We are on the brink of a full-blown crisis.
Even with tens of thousands of vaccine doses headed here in less than 2 weeks, it's only enough for 125,000 people. That means most of us will not be getting it soon. The governor has some chilling words today about what's ahead.
Certainly possible that by Christmas, we will be reporting more than double the case rates we are seeing now. And when I think about that, I am just horrified.
Hospital and healthcare workers at risk from COVID patients will be first in line. Also, patients and those who work in long-term care facilities. Also at the front of the line, first responders like fire, police, ambulance crews. Hospitals will be administering it rather than private practices. Keep in mind, the number of doses actually represents half the number of people who will get the vaccine since 2 doses are required. So there won't be enough vaccine even for all the frontline workers this month. Doctors say even with the grim numbers, we have not yet seen the post-Thanksgiving peak of COVID from get-togethers. That's expected in the next couple of weeks. But the governor revealed she does not plan to completely shut down businesses at this point.
Without further federal assistance, it will decimate our economy even further. And frankly, it's just not sustainable.
Oregonians are calling doctors' offices, asking if they can get on wait lists to get a vaccine. I asked state health leaders today about this. There is no line to get in right now.
If people are not in some of the high priority categories that we've talked about, essential workers, people with serious health conditions, healthcare workers, those kinds of things, it's going to be a while before the vaccine is available to regular Oregonians.
Now, the Oregon Health Authority is going to be posting on their website who will get the vaccine relative to an overall time frame. No specifics just yet. Again, keep in mind, only about 3% of the population will be getting it, perhaps in the next few weeks, and it may be months till the rest of us get it. A grim reminder, though, of what's ahead and to keep masking up and keeping our distance. Live in South Portland, Lisa Balick, KOIN 6 News.
All right, Lisa, thank you. And